Welcome to my channel. This is video footage of my husband building our deck. He spent time in October on his days off building the deck and the porch. It was a long process, but my children and I loved spending time outside watching him. This is our deck. It's coming together. The porch is all closed in now, and Tim's just working on putting the door on. Yeah. Come to mommy. Hi. Are you Daddy's little helper? That's green. That's pink. What are you gonna draw? Gonna draw a picture?